Here's the problem. You've heard how great of an opportunity selling on Amazon is. Yet, product research is tough. Choosing the proper products can make or break your business. How often do these products sell? What's the competition and demand like? What profit margins can I expect? Should I move forward with this product? What can I expect the sales to be? So, you've created a clunky Excel file, yet taking the time to fill it takes hours or days. You spend more time plugging in numbers to tables, FBA fee calculators, or seeing where your product falls on a graph instead of actually growing your business. That's not okay. We were tired of wasting hours with product research, only to end up further confused than where we began. That's why we created Jungle Scout, a total product research solution. Come up with product ideas by quickly filtering through Amazon's product catalog to only see the items that meet your criteria. Use the browser extension to dive deeper into these products, right inside the Amazon store, displaying monthly sales of a product, the best sellers rank, price, FBA fees, dimension, weight, and more with a single click. After you've narrowed down your product research, effortlessly add items to the product tracker to drill down on the product details. Want to know historical data about existing products? Sales and rank history are integrated into Jungle Scout. How about the historical trend of the item? Jungle Scout shows you exactly how that type of product has trended over the years or seasons. Filter the results to display only the products in your sweet spot. Remove irrelevant products. Jungle Scout provides all the information an Amazon seller needs to pick those perfect products. Stop wasting time and join thousands who have chosen to 10 times their product research today. Jungle Scout, Amazon product research made easy.